Welcome to the next stage of our Asset Insider journey, the demand stage, where we focus on budgeted assets requests. In this video, we will show you how to request an asset via the dashboard catalog. To get started, let's open the dashboards from the main menu. This functionality allows you to conveniently display essential asset information. With over 20 customizable system dashboards, you have the flexibility to create your own from scratch. You can also manage access and visibility, sharing them with select users or keeping them private. Now, switch to the budgeted asset requests catalog. Asset Insider enables you to create budgets for growth and disposal or replacement, helping you forecast and manage your yearly budget. The budget covers transactions for purchase orders and transfer orders. Here, you'll find a chart displaying the number of budget lines per location, and below that, a detailed list of asset requests. Let's select one of the lines in the budget, in this case this forklift, and then click on the request button. This will generate a new request with all the information from the budget pre-filled for you. Let's head over to the Tasks module and open Asset Request to take a closer look. Within the Supply section, open the Asset Requests tab, locate your new request and click on it. Take note of the automated business process flow at the top, divided into 4 steps. It guides you through entering key information about the asset request, the approval process, and the fulfillment method confirmation. General information includes the location for which the asset is needed, whether it's budgeted, the associated budget, the requested delivery date, and the request status. The approval process is the second stage, offering flexibility in setting up approval policies based on your organization's internal rules. These policies can apply either to all locations or a specific one. A tab with links to stakeholders' profiles is provided for approval requirements. A critical component is the asset request line, each described by 5 parameters: request status, appearance in a budget as a budget line, the chosen fulfillment method, unit price, and total price. In the third stage, you monitor when the request is submitted for fulfillment and then once it's fulfilled. The fulfillment method can be new purchase, lease or rent, or from stock. The new purchase method prompts you to select a vendor. From stock requires picking an asset, while lease and rent needs both a lessor and lessee selection. To submit the asset request, go to the business process flow, access the fulfillment method confirmation, and switch Submit to Yes. This action automatically generates group transactions such as purchase and transfer orders. Furthermore, if there are 2 or more asset request lines, multiple purchase orders will be created group by vendor. Once the newly generated transactions, purchase or transfer orders, are fulfilled, the asset request will be completed. The received will be switched to Yes. Now, let's head to the purchase order functionality to review the automatically generated purchase order. Inside, you will find another automated business process flow to guide us through the process. The first step is to choose the vendor, then we select the delivery location and the preferred delivery date, and lastly, the shipping method. In this case, the system has already filled them in automatically based on the asset request. Next stage involves confirming the vendor's availability to deliver the items. Once this is successfully confirmed, switch the Confirm by Vendor flag to proceed to the next stage. Once this is done, we can mark the asset as received by double-clicking on the purchase line and enter the serial number on the received asset, OEM serial number or internal one. This can also be achieved using our mobile app. In a few moments, the system will gather the information for the asset and create it automatically for you, using all the details from the purchase order and linking it as a source. Congratulations! You have now completed the asset demand scenario.